doing, Wisco?
Put a little touch up on the new truck. I mean, you know, don't try this at home. Professionals, toe professionals, paint professionals, all that. Just professional. That's it. That's all you need to know. Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Rolling.
Rolling.
See, I got tired of paying people. They tell you they don't work on Sundays. They don't want to do this and that. So, I do my own. I don't need nobody to...
Ain't nothing but a little time, ain't it, buddy?
Yeah, man. It ain't that hard. I just don't like to. But sometimes, you got to.
Yo, but you missed a spot, though.
No, I ain't missing nothing. Watch it. It's called phase 1. Phase 1. Then I'm going to come back in a minute. God damn it.
So you gonna paint the phone too? Yeah, well, you having that money. Ain't nothing but a...
Real?
See, I told you to stay out of my business, but you insisted on getting in my business.
Damn, dog. My key, my phone.
What's next, y'all? Tell the viewers what's next to gonna be dropped in the paint.
Drop your ass in there next. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off.
Hey, how do you feel?
Like a damn fool. Damn.
It worked.
Look at it, though.
It worked though. Like it worked. Ain't nothing but some paint. Hey, it ain't nothing but paper and paint. Some people can get it and some people can't.
Some people might not be able to get it off.
Hey, dude, what do you do? You got a hole? What is that? Like, no, they ain't no watch it.
You don't know that's the slide.
No.
See, now listen.
Let
I
me.
put it like that to make sure that the paint good. If it slide, that mean it's wet. But if it ain't, that mean you gotta go back over. I know what I'm doing, bro. I've been doing this.
Don't paint over the phone too. Shit, fuck it.
You don't know I went to school for this?
Yeah, they ain't teach you this.
I went to school for this. You know, I'm supposed to be like art major, like.
I know you know how to draw.
Picasso though, nah, for real.
Like who?
Picasso.
Spell Picasso.
Picasso.
You know it?
I got Picasso in my house.
Do you?
Bad motherfucker. I spent like on that one painting. 63,500 for the one painting.
But how much is it worth though?
You know it went up.
Just like the toes?
Yeah. So I think right now, when I last checked, they told me it worth like 97 grand.
That's it?
Yeah. I bought it last year.
You ain't had it a whole year?
I ain't had it all year.
Oh, okay.
Like last April.
Oh, you bought it when COVID. That's what you were telling me. You bought it when COVID hit. Everything was going cheap.
Last April.
Oh,
Dude was doing bad. I was doing good. So I bought it.
So you sold some junk cars to get the Picasso. Is that what you're saying?
Hell yeah. Told some too.
So you know you trapped in the corner over there.
I ain't trapped.
Like what's his name? Carl Sims? Trapped.
Not me.
Huh?
Not me.
Okay then.
I went to school for this. What I'm trying to tell you, man. I went to school for this.
Rolling down a river. Hey, who sung that song? Huh?
Tina Turner.
No, who originated it though?
Tina Turner.
No.
It don't matter who did it first.
No. You know people do what everybody else.
Who do it the best?
Huh?
Who did it the best?
No, Tina did not do it the best.
Man, you a damn fool.
Okay. Do you want me to Google? Google will tell you.
Google a lot to you too.
No, Google won't, man.
Google will tell you somebody's closed and they be open.
Nah, they probably just ain't changed their hours with Google.
Yeah, so they lied. False advertising. They ain't got no more paint.
I mean, you got a whole bunch of it right here. You see them? Yeah, there you go, buddy. There you go.
They ain't gonna do that, they're gonna mess it up.
Really, dude?
You insist though.
Just like it mess your phone up. You know, you want to shoot it, I'm going to roll it.
Oh, okay.
Chino over here doing the repairs. Well, I done messed up my whole phone, the keys, and everything. Yeah, so back like nothing happened to it.
Huh?
Back like new.
You got home then.
I'll go buy a new one tomorrow.
You want me to
Yeah.
take the price?
You had to go over his work? That's when he had to go over your work.
Oh, I ain't do this, y'all, so we ain't got it.
Who did this side? Let him buff my wheels out for me. So, can I see myself in there though?
You can shave in it.
He the one that did the job, y'all.
Every day, baby, every day.
Brought it over here. They finna redo the seat. Can't be riding like this, man. Don't nobody want metal all on their cheeks. Man, these seats dirty. Gonna rewrap it, boy.
Hey, this is the type of work that I like. I got certain people for certain things. I brought it to them. It ain't been over here 15 minutes. That's the whole seat out, man. Why we coming back? Not even 24 hours later, a few hours later. I like people to work, get on top of their thing. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Roll, roll, roll.
It fix the seat. And you gotta rip your jeans and all that. She almost ready. Gotta get a few more things. Get a good detail. This back centerpiece, they order them at the Dodge dealership. Blue letters across the back. Should be ready to roll.